Hi guys, it's me Amy from Amy and Aron's Real Life Reviews, and today I want to share something very cool with you, and that is the Nomad Internet. So this has to be the coolest thing ever. So it's a portable modem with a 7-day backup battery, and it does everything that you need home internet to do, and it's completely portable. It comes in a cute little travel bag that has the, looks like little buckles, but they're snaps, which is really cute. An adjustable strap, which who doesn't love an adjustable strap? You can wear it however you want. And it has a convenient on-off button right here. And it's just very cool. So for a long time, we lived in the very rural mountains in North Carolina, by the way. And for years, almost a decade, we had friends here. And they didn't provide what we needed. I'm going to say that nicely. So when we had a chance to go with another provider, we did. But the only problem with that provider is when the power goes out, we still don't have internet. And being that I work from home and I go to school from home, everything I do is online. When our internet is out, then I can't meet deadlines. I can't do the things that I need to do to be productive, which is very frustrating, very frustrating. So right now I am connected to the Nomad Pudge. I have a Boston Pudge. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about him a million times, but he's very snory. Okay, so here I am connected to the Nomad. And just to show you, for being as rural as we are, Frontier provided us with a very inconsistent, on a good day, we would get like 1.6 Mbps of download and 0.3 to 0.6 of upload, which for anybody who has internet like that, you know that that's really slow. That was less than a third of what we were supposed to be getting, and that was all they offered for our area. And this right here is not even plugged into a phone line. It's literally connected to itself, and we have 5.32 Mbps and 4.34 Mbps upload. That is crazy for our area. And again, we're a very rural mountainous area. Most of the time we don't even have cell service. And with the Nomad, everywhere we go we have service. We can literally put this in the car and Aaron can play his game from the road. I can, no matter where we go, I can do videos and upload videos, which is a huge deal. I mean, with our other service, it would take me days to upload just a few minute video. And now it's just like a matter of minutes, it just goes. So it's super awesome. And like I said, no matter where we travel to, we have service, and we don't even have to plug it in. I mean, I can't say enough good things about this. But it does come with extra chargers if you don't want to use the battery pack and you want to use the wall plug. It comes with all of the accessories that you need to plug it into the wall directly. Very cool. So like everything that you need is right here. And you're mobile, you're on the go, you can do anything you want, or you can stay home with it. It's the coolest internet ever. It's like having a high-powered cell phone all the time. It's like the best mobile hotspot I've ever used. And it's super lightweight, very compact, fits right in the bag, and it's the perfect travel companion for a digital family. So if you want to go hiking, or if you just live off the grid, or traveling, anything like that, Nomad gotcha. I'm going to put the product link under the video so you can check it out, and make sure you check out their website too. It is, let's see right here, the nomadinternet.com, and you can go on here, pick out your package, watch testimonials from other people, And yeah, you can pick out your package that you want to get. You can, everything that you want to do, you can get service for home, for travel, and you get to pay as you go. You don't have to sign a big contract. It's super awesome. Alrighty, I love this. Can't say enough about it. Thank you, Nomad, for sending us out the Nomad modem and backup battery to try out. It is definitely a win-win, and definitely 2 thumbs up. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Alright, thanks so much, and have a great day.